We are starting with problem set 8. Question 1. Choose the correct alternative answers for the following multiple choice questions. Which of the following statement is true? Here you see sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equals to 10 90 minus theta, sin theta equals to 10 90 minus theta, tan theta equals to 10 90 minus theta. Now here you see B, C, D. They are related to cos and tan, sin and tan, tan and tan. Not possible. So it is sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Which of the following is the value of sin 90 degree? Sin 90 degree will be in a right angle triangle, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So it is hypotenuse upon hypotenuse equals to 1. So D is the correct answer. 2 tan 45 plus cos 45 minus sin 45 equals to. When you simplify this by substituting the value, you get 2. Answer. Plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 get cancelled. So 2 into 1 is 2. So C is the option. Cos 28 upon sin 62 equals to. Cos 28 upon sin 62 equals to sin 90 minus 28. Cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. Substitute the value, you will get 1. So D option is there, 1. Question 2. In a right angle triangle TSU, S equals to 5, angle S equals to 90 degree, segment SU equals to 12. Then find sin T, cos T, tan T. Similarly, find sin U, cos U, tan U. Very easy. You know, substituting the values here in the figure and applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get TU equals to 13. Then how you know how to write sin T equals to SU upon TU equals to 12 by 13, cos T equals to TS upon TU equals to 5 by 13, tan T equals to SU upon TS equals to 12 by 5, SU equals to TS upon TU equals to 5 by 13, cos U equals to 12 by 13, and tan U equals to 5 by 12. You know how to write the trigonometric ratios when the three sides are known to you. Again, in a right angle triangle XYZ, angle X equals to 90 degree, XZ equals to 8 centimeter, YZ equals to 17 centimeter. Find sin Y, cos Y, tan Y, sin Z, cos Z, tan Z. Again, substitute the values given. Apply Pythagoras theorem. XY equals to 15. Apply trigonometric ratios. Sin Y equals to XZ upon YZ equals to 8 by 17. Cos Y equals to XY upon YZ equals to 15 by 17. Tan Y equals to XZ upon XY equals to 8 by 15. Sin Z equals to XY upon YZ equals to 15 by 17. Cos Z equals to XZ upon YZ equals to 8 by 17. Tan Z equals to XY upon XZ equals to 15 by 18. Here I am not explaining every statement, that opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse side. Now you know, practice will make you perfect. Similarly, in right angle triangle LMN, angle N equals to theta, angle M equals to 90 degree, cos theta equals to 24 by 25. We have to find out the sin tan theta. Similarly, find sin square theta and cos square theta. Method remains the same. You know, cos theta is given, two sides are given. Take the common multiple k, apply Pythagoras theorem. You will get Lm equals to 7k. Now, sin theta equals to 7 by 25. Therefore, sin square theta will be 7 by 25 whole square equals to 49 upon 625. Tan theta equals to 7 upon 24. Cos theta equals to 24 by 25. Given only, directly we can take cos square theta equals to cos theta whole square, that is 24 by 25 square equals to 576 upon 625. Next question is given, fill in the blanks. This is known as activity type. Boxes are given. Don't forget to draw the boxes for the activity. So sine 20 degree equals to cos sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. So here 90 minus 20 degree equals to cos 70 degree. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta equals to 1. Substituting theta equals to 30. Tan 30 into tan 90 minus 30 equals to 1. So tan 30 into tan 60 equals to 1. Cos 40 equals to sin 90 minus 40 equals to sin 50. In the next video, we are going to see with the new topic. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.